Perfect.
I love your work. You know I'm a fan.
Okay, do it again.
Real good. Wait, slide up here. There you go. There you go. Perfect right there. There we go.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh wait, I'm on the way. Let me get out.
How you feel?
I feel, ooh, I still gotta go in.
See, you got more confident.
I feel good.
Now she's open.
She's open.
Yeah, I'm like cracking it up.
She's excited. Her first time ever. Nervous? Like,
No, I'm more excited than nervous. Like, break me in all the right places, please.
you got it. You asked for it. You're gonna lie face down like that. Face here, hands right there. Perfect. Good. Watch all that hair. Again, that sacrum. Sacrum bone, hip bones lock in, tailbone at the bottom. The more you sit, the more compressed and tight it gets.
Oh.
Bam. See all this tight? Tight, tight, tight. Good. Turn to this side. Face me. Line that left side. Bring that left arm all the way through.
Wait, what?
Lie on your left side.
Lie
Just
on
lie. Yeah, on your side. That's it. Right here and here. Get this one right there. Get this one right there. Right here. I got you.
Ooh! Oh my god!
Think you got
She act like she farted.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, excuse me.
I had all that in me?
You think? Yep, you had all that in you. You think you had a little tension, stress, pressure
Yeah.
built up over time?
Yeah.
Go ahead, lie on the other side. Oh my god, too funny. That was good.
What was I doing?
Stay right there. Bring that right here. Bring this one here. Bring that one right there. Bring that one right there.
This is amazing.
See? All that tension. Say that again.
This is amazing.
There you go. Let's stand up. You're gonna put your back up against that pad right there. Back right there. Come here and here. You're gonna tuck your chin. You're gonna take a nice deep breath in. Blow all the way out.
Oh.
Nice.
You see, you're not a screamer.
She's not a screamer. She's a laugher.
Yeah, this is my anxiety showing. Like.
Yeah, she's all like, oh my god. How's that feel?
Oh my gosh! Wow.
All that pressure, all that tension, all that stress. No good. We open, elongate the spine, take the pressure off of it.
Yeah.
Makes you feel better. There we go.
Yeah, people love this girl. They love her.
They love her? They love you?
They love her.
All right, good.
When we go to celebrity parties, they just.
Is it the hair?
No,
It could be the hair.
You always got different color hair? That's
Yeah.
right. Hang those arms over the side.
Okay.
Nice and relaxed. The more relaxed you are, the better. Gonna get that occiput, the base of the skull. It just gets stuck this right side here. We're starting there. Watch all your hair. Wait. Okay, now just relax right there. Perfect.
I love your work. You know I'm a fan.
Okay, do it again.
Okay. Always. I'm scared. Oh my god, you're gonna kill me. It's gonna hurt. Oh my god. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Hurry up. Do it again.
Oh shit!
Do it again.
Do it again.
So good. Now she's commanding me. I love it. So scared. Now it's like, hurry up. Drop that shoulder again right there. Nice, relax.
Oh.
See, that was the shoulder. This was the shoulder.
That's the side where you have all this tension built up here, directly related to the shoulder.
Facts.
The nerve input goes right here. If this is tight and this is compressed, then everything else here is going to get tight and compressed, and then the rest of your spine is tight and compressed. You all work as one. You're not you're all together. You're one unit.
Yo, I felt that in my soul.
I'm a soul snatcher.
Yo,
I'm changing my Instagram to Dr. Soul.
Dr. Soul. Like, so last night.
Wait, you know how many marriage proposals I've gotten?
Get out.
And then it's over. It's only the moment.
Just that quick.
Well, she's gonna go on her back. Yeah, you're good. You didn't break his neck. You did the opposite. You made him alive.
Tomato, potato.
Yeah, exactly. Give me your hands. Stretch, breathe, keep breathing. Keep breathing. Stay open. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs, okay? Yeah. Always forward like this, all day long, especially on the phone. Real good. Wait, slide up here. There you go. There you go. Perfect right there. There we go.
Yeah.
Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Right there and there. Decompress that whole spine. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
We'll lift up that head.
Did it hurt? Does it hurt?
I don't know. Ask him.
Did it hurt?
Nope. You're about to be my head.
Yep. You're about to be 6'2".
First of all, I'm gonna die if your hair comes out.
Nah. We got that. We good. Take a deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh.
That was it.
You sure?
Hey, he's the doctor.
I don't feel 6'2".
I don't feel 6'2". I don't feel 6'2". How did that feel?
I don't know. I'm like still in shock. I feel like my anxiety kind of took over when I fell.
The anxiety kicked in, so she didn't get good enough adjustment. Oh, we gotta fix you. We gotta fix that anxiety. We gotta fix her anxiety. Yep. There you go. Gotta get everything. Right there.
Oh wait, I'm in the way. Let me get out. Cause I look crazy.
Oh.
No, I look great.
How do you feel?
I feel, ooh, I still gotta go in.
See, you got more confident.
I feel good.
Now she's open.
She's open.
Yeah, I'm like cracking it up.
Pressure, tension, and stress gone. If your spinal nervous system. Move better, feel better, live better. That's
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
That's what adjustments do. That don't let anyone ever tell you any different. They're lying to you if they do. Boom. Never be afraid to get adjusted.
I did it.
Awesome.
Oh,
I stole it.